Hey guys, this is Laminate here and ChainSaw444, and we are going to be playing some Skywars today. Now, this might be a new series for me and him, but I think it's going to be pretty fun. And yeah, yeah, all by myself. But okay, so I think I might just might have more kills than you. I have like 4,200. Yeah, I know. Okay, so I think we are going to start a new series on here. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I think it's gonna be like 2 good games of us playing, and then that's gonna be the episode. Do you have any thoughts on it, Chain? Do you have any thoughts on it, Chain?
My hand, it's like, should it be like flat or not bumpy?
What?
Like, should it be bumpy or not bumpy?
10 out of 5. Let's go. Okay, see you guys in the game. Hey guys, welcome to game 1 of the day. And today we are with Chain, and I'm going to pick a armor kit. Why am I lagging so badly? I truly do not know. Why is my internet dying? I have a question for you, Shane. Why is my internet dying? You... Okay, for a second I thought you tossed it in the pit of death. I do not oh, I don't have a weapon! I don't have a weapon! Oh, Gene! What was that doing? Oh! What the heck? Oh, I thought they were trying to kill me. Oh, you have the Guardian kit? How did that not hit him? That literally went through him. That one hit him, and I didn't even think it would. See, that's how Minecraft works. Take a pot shot, you're always gonna hit. Person's 2 feet away from you, not gonna happen. Shot him. Ah! What hit me? Oh, I have a diamond chestplate for you, Chain. I think you need that. I hear a blues. Isn't that a good thing? Ah! I'm on one hurt! I don't have an apple! I'm coming, I think people are coming up though. I need a gapple, I need a gapple. Oh my gosh. Oh, player! He just tossed a poison pot and that lasted for 1 second. I got you, Chain! I got you, Chain! I got you, Chain! Ping pong! Oh, I hear someone building. Right here. Get comboed. Saw a name tag just over here. Yep, guy on his island, and that's the last guy. Chain, we might actually get a good game for once. This is a once in a lifetime or once in a game opportunity, I guess. Chain! Don't you steal my kill! Mr. Stereo Girl! Oh, I didn't get it. Crap. Okay, well that was our first game. Out of 2, which is probably going to be very painful to get the second, but oh well. On to the next game.
Hello, everybody. We're back to the second
Oh
round
crap, I
of
forgot to
today.
intro. Yes, very. Sure, why not? Good game today? You mean good day today? Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I thought. Okay, never mind.
I don't have
Yes, totally second game today.
yeah, my
I think I might have dropped the weapon.
downstairs.
Shout him! Gout him!
Whoa.
Shout him!
I got it, Skelly. I'm setting up my Skelly.
Shout him! Killed him! Mr. Castillo kill!
Man, there's people over here.
I'm coming, Chain. Holy crap. It's like a rainbow.
Double.
It's a double rainbow. What does it mean?
I can like spam the right click, but I can't spam the. I mean,
Oh, he failed.
oh, just nothing. I'm
Got
out
him.
of pots. I need a weapon. Fall off.
It fell off, and then when it got teleported back up, it took too much fall damage. All of the above chant. Table. Yes.
We can win these.
We really can't, but sure.
No balls inbound.
Shout him!
Oh, I thought-
Shot his skeleton! Shot his skeleton! I'm so bad. He's going in! Shout him! He's off! That was a mistake!
that part-
For how long?
Wait, yeah.
Okay.
This is gonna be our second day game of today. I mean, our 5th game, 6th game.
8th game, 9th game, 10th game.
Our 5th game.
Ah!
I'm sticking around with that.
Shout him twice! Killed him! No need, Chain, no need. All in a day's work.
I need my intention.
Power 3.
Here.
Ah!
Get out them.
This guy has spotted me!
Get a better weapon.
Ah! Yeah! That was our first try on the second game. Wasn't so exciting, but you know, it'll work. So, good game! See you guys next episode. Take care.